Today, what we are going to do is we're going to look at a lesson about submarines. So at your group, I want you to look at the lessons. So we're kind of sharing computers here. I want you to look at the lesson. I want you to try some different combinations to see what we mean by the submarine. And then I want you to discuss, what do you notice, what do you wonder, and what do you already know about submarines? Go.
So the submarine starts at -3 units. Select all the actions that would move it to -5 units. You could add 2 anchors because anchors are negative.
Yeah, anchors
But you can't add 2 floats.
Well,
if you added 2 floats, that'd make it
we can add 2
-1.
anchors, and then we can remove.
If you just remove 1 float and 1 anchor, then
We could remove 3 floats. We could add 3 floats and add 5 anchors.
Yes, yeah, because
That is possible.
Because that would make it. That add 3 floats would make it into 0, and then if you added 5 anchors,
That'd make it to -5 because anchors are putting it to the negative number.
and remove 1 float and add 1 anchor would not work, because you're basically you're just evening them out, so it'll stay the -3 units.
But
Remove 2 floats, add 4 anchors.
removing 2 floats
That's
moves it
removing.
down to.
That's removing.
And then adding 4 anchors, that just drag it all the way down to -9.
Let Vincent
Oh
share.
yeah, because
Yeah, go ahead, share.
it says remove 2 floats and add 4 anchors.
Yeah, it's saying remove.
Because if you remove the 2 floats, then it'll get to -1, and then if you add 4 anchors, that's
No, that wouldn't be
going
correct,
down
'cause
4 places.
So does the language here of remove and add matter?
Yeah, it quite literally does. Because if you added 2 floats and you added 4 anchors as well, then it would it'd be correct.
Okay,
Because adding 2 floats would make it -1, and then adding 4 would make it -5. Because remove is the really important one here. Because you would think, remove doesn't matter. It's just saying remove. It's whatever. But it actually does matter, because remove shows that you're taking away the floats, which is like adding anchors. So,
Great job.
So it's basically saying add 6 anchors. So that'd be that'd be -9.
Yeah.
During the first 2 hours, the store is open.
Okay, so
So you just have to find like the
we
rate,
gotta.
right? Because that's the rate. So then you do it from 0 to 2.
This is like that one problem we did.
Yeah.
We do this rate of change minus that rate of change to find the difference. We do that, right? Yeah. Wait, hold up. Yeah.
No,
yeah,
don't
yeah.
you just do? Okay, well, we just have to take the integral of the first rate though.
Because like the first one is
Wait,
one that opens.
It has 50 pounds of bananas on display. Customers remove bananas from the display at a rate modeled by how many pounds of bananas are removed. So you do that because that's the rate that they're getting removed by.
Okay.
Oh, because the second one is how much over time, and
Then
the first one how much is started with. So you want to find how much you're getting in that certain interval. So you have to do the first one like subtracted by the second one to find the difference between the 2 rates of changes.
That's got to be right.
Okay. What do you think, Brayden? Yeah?
Okay.
We'll give it a try, see what happens.
All right.